What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to factor quadratic equations. So the first example I have is x squared plus 4x plus 3. So the coefficient of x squared is 1. So we are looking for two numbers, multiply to 3 and add to 4. Multiply to 3 and add to 4. So basically 3 and 1 is going to be my answers. So I can write it like x plus 3, x plus 1. That's the answer. If you want, you can check it. X times x, x squared. X times 1, x. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 1 is going to be 3. So it's going to be x squared plus 4x plus 3. Next example, I have x squared plus 7x plus 10. So I'm looking for two numbers, multiply to 10 and add to 7. So one of them is 2, the other one is 5. 2 times 5, 10. 2 plus 5 is going to be 7. So the answer is going to be x plus 5, x plus 2. Next example, we have is x squared plus 6x plus 8. We're looking for two numbers, multiply 2, add to 6. 4 times 2, 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. So the answer is x plus 4 times x plus 2. Next example is factor x squared plus 4x plus 4. Answer is two numbers, multiply by 2, 5, 4, add to 4. So it's going to be just 2 and 2. So the answer will be x plus 2 times x plus 2, or x plus 2 to the power of 2. Next example, it will be x squared plus 7x plus 12. So we're looking for two numbers, multiply by 12, add to 7. So the number is going to be positive 4 and positive 3. So the answer is going to be x plus 4 times x plus 3. Next example, x squared plus 5x plus 4. Answer will be two numbers, multiply by 4, add to 5. So it's going to be 4 and 1 and 4 and 1. So the answer will be x plus 4 times x plus 1. Next example, we have x squared plus 11x plus 25. So it is not possible to factor this one, so we need to use the quadratic formula to solve this example. Why? Because you cannot find two numbers, multiply by each other to give us 25, and when they add it cannot be 11. So I'm going to go to the next example. We have x squared plus 9x plus 12. So multiply to 12, add to 9. So we have 3 and 3, 3 and 6, none of them is gonna work. 10 and 2, 12 and 1, none of them is gonna work for this one. So we cannot factor this example using this method. Next example, we have x squared plus 10x plus 24. What about this one? So we're looking for two numbers multiplied by 24 and add to 10. Same thing, we cannot factor this example. Next one, we have x squared minus 7x plus 10. So multiply by 10, add to negative 7. So as you see here, we have negative 2 and negative 5. Multiply each other is going to be positive 10. Negative 2 plus negative 5 is going to give us negative 7. So that will make it x minus 2 times x minus 5. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found it useful, please like this video and share it, and also subscribe this channel to find out lots of other videos regarding math and science. Thank you for watching and have a great day.